Welcome to Room Tour. If you love discovering beautiful and unique spaces that make you feel at home, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey through nature-inspired hideaways and cozy retreats. Today, we're exploring small guest houses with inviting interiors and secret courtyards that offer a sense of peace and tranquility. Stepping into one of these guest houses feels like entering a world where comfort and nature intertwine. The soothing natural materials, warm lighting, and lush greenery all around create a welcoming atmosphere that invites you to relax and enjoy the moment. It's the kind of space that makes you want to stay longer, as each corner seems to tell its own quiet story. There's something incredibly comforting about a guest house where every element feels like it belongs. Whether it's the soft, earthy tones of the furniture or the way the windows frame a view of the garden, these spaces have a way of making you feel right at home. Imagine sitting by the window, watching the plants sway gently in the breeze, while the peaceful interior draws you in. One of the most charming features of these guest houses is how they seamlessly blend the indoors with the outdoors. The courtyards, hidden away behind ivy-covered walls or surrounded by tall trees, create a sense of privacy and tranquility. It's as if nature is an extension of the space itself, inviting you to step outside and immerse yourself in the beauty of the natural world. The interiors of these guest houses are designed to feel like a peaceful retreat. Soft textures, warm wood accents, and inviting spaces make every moment feel special. The light streaming through the windows illuminates every corner, enhancing the natural beauty of the materials. You can almost feel the calm of the garden seeping into the space, offering a sense of serenity no matter where you are in the house. These guest houses have a timeless quality, where simplicity and nature combine to create a harmonious space. The cozy interiors, whether adorned with vintage pieces or minimalist decor, are designed to help you unwind and enjoy the quiet beauty that surrounds you. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully embrace the present moment. The secret courtyards surrounding these guest houses are the hidden gems that make them even more special. These outdoor spaces, filled with greenery, flowers, and the occasional stone pathway, create a peaceful retreat where you can sit and reflect, or simply enjoy the fresh air. It's these little touches of nature that truly transform these spaces into a place of rest and renewal. As you explore these guest houses, you'll notice how every detail is chosen to enhance the feeling of calm and comfort. The natural wood, soft textiles, and carefully curated decor all come together to create a space that feels effortless and inviting. It's a reminder that a home doesn't need to be grand to be beautiful. It just needs to be filled with warmth and character. Every corner of these guest houses feels like a personal escape, offering the perfect balance of comfort and connection to nature. The combination of earthy tones, natural textures, and garden views makes these spaces feel alive, as if they're constantly in tune with the world outside. Whether you're inside, gazing out at the lush surroundings, or outside, surrounded by flowers and greenery, you'll always feel a sense of peace. These hideaways are more than just places to stay. They are sanctuaries for the soul. The quiet beauty of the interiors, combined with the serene outdoor spaces, creates an atmosphere of calm that's perfect for unwinding after a busy day. You can imagine enjoying a morning coffee in the garden or curling up with a good book inside while the world outside fades away. The charm of these guest houses lies in their simplicity and their connection to nature. With every step, you're reminded of the beauty of the natural world, whether it's the soft sunlight filtering through the trees or the sounds of birds singing in the background. It's a place where you can slow down, take a deep breath, and just be. Whether it's the warm glow of the living room or the soft, inviting texture of the bedroom, these guest houses create a sense of comfort from every angle. The seamless flow between the indoor and outdoor spaces invites you to relax and take it all in. It's the kind of place where you can lose track of time, just enjoying the peaceful surroundings. These guest houses are designed to feel like your own personal retreat. The interiors are cozy, inviting, and full of natural beauty, while the secret courtyards provide an additional layer of peace and privacy. No matter where you are in the house, you'll always feel like you're surrounded by nature, creating an atmosphere of calm and serenity. The charm of these spaces is in their ability to create an atmosphere of peace and quiet. The soothing colors, natural materials, and warm lighting all contribute to a feeling of relaxation. And when you step outside into the courtyard, you're greeted by the beauty of nature, which enhances the peaceful vibe of the home. Every element of these guest houses has been carefully considered to create a space that feels both relaxing and inspiring. The natural light, combined with the earthy decor, brings a sense of calm to every room. The garden views are just the finishing touch, turning these homes into true sanctuaries where you can disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. One of the things I love most about these guest houses is how they feel like an extension of the natural world around them. The courtyards, filled with flowers and greenery, add a sense of tranquility and beauty to the space. Inside, the earthy tones and natural textures create a warm and inviting atmosphere that makes you want to stay forever. The beauty of these guest houses is in their simplicity. With soft lighting, natural materials, and carefully chosen decor, these homes have a way of making you feel right at ease. The gardens outside provide a sense of peace and privacy, allowing you to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature from the comfort of your own space. Stepping into these guest houses is like entering a peaceful retreat where every detail has been thoughtfully designed to help you unwind. The natural elements, both inside and out, create a harmonious space that encourages relaxation and connection to the world around you. Whether you're inside, enjoying the cozy decor, or outside in the hidden courtyard, you'll always feel at home. These guest houses are a celebration of nature and comfort. The blend of earthy decor, cozy spaces, and serene outdoor areas creates an atmosphere that invites relaxation. With every room, you'll find that the beauty of nature is never far away, creating a sense of calm and peace that lasts long after you leave. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of nature-inspired hideaways with me. From the cozy interiors to the beautiful secret courtyards, these guest houses are perfect examples of how nature and design come together to create spaces that are both beautiful and serene. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to Room Tour for more home decor inspiration and tour of stunning spaces just like these.